Let's look at this question now. Find the largest natural number which will definitely divide this expression 4 raised to the power n minus 3n minus 1, where n is a natural number greater than 1. Now, please think smartly, guys. This is 4 raised to the power n minus 3n minus 1, right? You need a largest number which needs to divide this expression where n is something greater than 1. Can you see these powers are not or these numbers are not that large, right? So what you can do is you can put the value of n here and you can find the numbers in this series, right? Let's put n equal to 1 now. Let's put n equal to 1. So your required number would be, if put n equal to, or let's not put it 1, let's put it 2, because n is a natural number greater than 1, right? So let's put it 2. Let's put n equal to 2. If you put n equal to 2, you get 16 minus 6 minus 1, you get 9, right? Now let's find another number. So you get n is equal to 4 raised to the power 3, 64 minus 9 minus 1. So it becomes 54. Now just finding these two numbers, can you tell me that what would be the largest number that will definitely divide both these numbers? So it would be 9, because 9 can divide this, 9 can divide this. If you are not satisfied, let's just find one more number. So for n equal to 4, I get n is equal to 4 raised to the power 4 would be 256 minus 4 into 3, 12 minus 1. So we need to subtract we need to subtract 13, right? So I get 200. I need to subtract 13. So we need to subtract 243. Yes, this number is also divisible by 9. Can you see all these numbers? All these numbers are divisible by 9. So the highest number which can definitely divide these numbers would be 9, or the correct answer to this question is 9.